see it moving, the stick. That stick. I hope the bloody thing goes. It's going. Going. Done for. If you make one mistake, it's definitely half a day out with the undertaker. About 5 feet out from the wall proper. Keep going, Fred. Up, up, up. And here we are. My word, what a place. Position somewhere round about here. And the next thing, up comes 4 iron pins or iron dogs. The purpose of these is to support a great balk of timber, which will come up next, you see. And I then proceed to bolt one on there and one over there, like so. So I've then got that like all braced up quite solid. Once you've got the first staging up or the first deck up, you know, you can work quite comfortably as though you were on the ground. When I've done it, when I've got all the gear up, you know, to me it's a bloody magnificent achievement, you know. You've like really got the world at your feet. These are my dog holes that support my scaffold when I'm, you know, when I'm putting the scaffolding up. Well, that's it now. We've nearly conquered it. The north face of the Eiger.
Right, said Fred, looking more like a Roman standard bearer than a steeplejack. We'll just pop this weathercock on top of that spire. It seemed a long way up. The bad news was the weathercock was heavy. The good news that it was going up by pulley. Fred's mate, Donald Payton, took the strain for the long haul to the top.
Well, it's a long way up, Fred.
Oh, about 150 foot, yeah. Aye.
How long is it since the weathercock last came down?
Well, according to what's stamped on it, 1852. And all, but it'd have fell down if it had been up there much longer, you know.
Meanwhile, Donald was finding the hauling hard work, so the rector, Canon Reg Smith, weighed in too, as we got ready to climb.
Right. Right, come on, Alistair. Come on, boy.
This is the first time for everything, Fred.
Oh, it's not so bad, really.
Rock climbing seemed far less dangerous, but Fred said he'd stick to steeplejacking.
At least there's no lumps of bloody rock going land on your head.
You can guarantee that?
Yeah.
I was soon left behind. The ladders seemed secure but very steep, and there was no safety line.
Still feeling okay? Good. Come on, you're doing all right. Now come up this one above the overhang, and then step onto this one that I'm on.
It was easier said than done.
Yeah,
the ladder was now leaning backwards, giving a feeling of airy exposure, and we were still only halfway up. No one had been on the spire since 1852, and some of the stonework looked distinctly loose.
That's it. Always hold on to the sides of a ladder, never the bloody rungs. That's it. You all right now?
Yep.
Right, well, it's straight now from now on.
How much further, Fred?
Hmm? Oh,
Further.
another 2 ladders.
What's the stonework like here, Fred?
Oh, it's very good. Shakes about a bit in wind, you know.
Yeah, you can feel it vibrating now.
Yeah, yeah.
Below, Canon Smith said a silent prayer,
right up
though we were
underneath
probably
it.
closer to our maker.
And one hand over the top.
Right, Fred, well, I'll get over the top here,
Yeah.
and then you can pass it up to me. Oh, that's great.
Oh, yeah. Just don't want it bang on anything, the jobs are good.
Heavy. After 10 minutes climbing, we reached the final precarious plank. For Fred, it was just part of a day's work.
Right. Well,
Put it back on its perch again. It's a bit breezy up here, Fred.
all right, yeah. Can you feel it all swaying?
Yes. There's a fair bit of play in it.
All right, yeah. Only it's pretty thin, you see. You know, for a church spire, like. Got a fur old point on it.
It's quite secure, it is.
Oh, yeah, yeah. It's just the natural squeezing in the stonework, you know. There we have it.
Fred, it may seem an obvious question, but how do you know which way north, south, east and west are?
Well, Donald's down there with his compass, you see, and he'll be like this, you know, a bit that way and a bit this way, you see. So, you know, it's as simple as that.
Which way is north?
Oh, it's somewhere over there, you know. Well, I think it is, anyway.
But within 45 degrees, you're not too worried.
Donald!
Turn it round.
Get the compass out! A bit more over there.
It's a bit hit and miss, Fred.
Yeah, well. Hang on.
And you realise for the next 100 years, people are going to be getting their directions entirely wrong.
Yeah. I think that's about right.
Hang on, he's shouting again. That's right.
Right.
Oh, good, okay.
Tighten it up. Right.
You say you did all this nice ironwork during the recent bad weather.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
is the attraction in this job when the weather is bad?
Well, there isn't much, really. I mean, you just got to sit at home waiting for it either stopping snowing, blowing or raining. So you get some lovely days when it's
splendid
bloody
today, isn't
sun shining, yeah, but it's blowing a force 9 and
Don't lean back for it.
up here, you've had it. What do you mean, don't leave back?
It's
I don't
not...
want to end up downtown, you know.
I suppose the graveyard's handy anyway. And at the end of the day, time for Fred to reflect on his handiwork.
It don't look so bad, does it? It looks quite splendid, you know. Really, we're on the wrong side, because sun's shining on that side, you know. It'll twinkle more over the other side, you know, than what it will on
Happy
that
with your
side.
handiwork, then?
Oh, aye, yeah, yeah. Do you like that?